Shifting focus now to big political news coming in. We're given to understand that opposition parties are going to be in a huddle tomorrow. There is a meeting that is going to be chaired by NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, who's already in the national capital. Remember, just a short while ago, Sharad Pawar met with poll strategist Prashant Kishore for the second time in the last few weeks. We're given to understand that a crucial meeting of all opposition parties is going to be held at 4 p.m. tomorrow here in the national capital. Prashant is live with us for more on this. Now, Prashant, this invitation for this meeting tomorrow has been extended to 15 parties is what we're given to understand. Are all 15 parties or their representatives going to be present?
Well, what we're given to believe from our sources is that 15 political parties from the opposition would be a part of this meeting under the banner of National Forum or Rashtra Manch formed by Yashwant Sinha. Now, the location of the meeting is very, very important given the fact that the recent developments have, come and put a storm at the residence of Sharad Pawar. This is the location where the meeting is supposed to happen tomorrow at around 4 p.m. in the evening. What we are also given to believe is that now you have, although Shatrughan Sinha and Manish Tiwari, both Congress leaders, are the members of National Forums, but sources are indicating that both of them would not be able to be present in the meeting because they are not here in the national capital. So clearly a very interesting development at a time when the entire talk about a separate third front, back-to-back meetings, especially at the residence of Sharad Pawar, is happening, of him with Prashant Kishore, and the kind of a disturbance that we have seen in the Mahavikas Aghadi there in Maharashtra. I mean, this meeting comes at a time when there would be several, points being raised by people. So clearly we'll have to see what happens in the meeting tomorrow. But tomorrow, what we can confirm is that there's a meeting at 4 p.m. at the residence of NCP Chief Sharad Pawar.
Absolutely. Do keep a track of what comes out of this meeting tomorrow. For the moment, Prashant, thank you so much for getting us those details. It's time for a quick break here on this edition, but news and updates continue on Times Now. Don't go away.